Hey there, traders. Welcome to Prop Trading Guru, where today we're diving deep into the top 10 prop trading firms in Turkey. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started, these firms offer incredible opportunities to supercharge your trading game. Stay tuned to learn about the best prop firms, the perks they offer, and the strategies that could be your next big step in trading success. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips and insights. Kicking off our list is Elite Trader Funding. Known for helping traders unleash their potential, this firm offers a diverse range of trading instruments like equity futures, forex, and even agricultural futures. Flexible accounts. Choose from accounts ranging from $10,000 to $300,000, with a super affordable evaluation starting at just $45. Impressive profit split. Elite Trader Funding offers an 80% profit split, letting you keep the bulk of your gains. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, drop a comment below with your favorite features so far. Next up is a fan favorite, FTMO. FTMO is known for its rigorous evaluation process, but for good reason. It identifies top talent and rewards them generously. Leverage flexibility. FTMO offers up to 1:100 leverage, perfect for traders who want to scale fast. No hidden fees. After passing the evaluation, enjoy fee-free accounts and competitive payouts. If you think FTMO's leverage opportunities are a game changer, smash that like button. Another contender making waves is MyForexFunds. This firm is designed for all trader levels, from beginners to pros, with fast evaluation processes and affordable plans. Risk-free start. Try a demo account to sharpen your skills before committing. Global reach. No geographical restrictions, so you can trade from anywhere in Turkey and beyond. The 5% Heirs is a unique firm focusing on swing trading and longer-term strategies, which is perfect for traders who prefer holding positions over time. Long-term focus. Ideal for swing traders looking for slower, calculated growth. Low pressure. No need to rush, thanks to their longer trading cycles. Which do you prefer, day trading or swing trading? Let me know in the comments. Coming in strong is Funded Next, which caters to both manual and algorithmic traders. So, whether you prefer hands-on action or automated systems, they've got you covered. Algo friendly. Automated trading systems are fully supported, giving you more flexibility in how you trade. Generous profit split. Keep up to 85% of your profits, which is among the best in the industry. BlueFX stands out with its subscription-based model, which allows traders to access a funded account for a monthly fee rather than a one-time evaluation fee. Subscription model, a low entry barrier, paying monthly rather than upfront costs. Instant funding, get funded immediately, bypassing lengthy evaluation processes. Top Step Trader has been around for a while and offers an intuitive platform with detailed coaching programs to help traders succeed. Coaching support. Access expert guidance to fine-tune your strategies. Reliable reputation. Decades of experience in the industry. Surge Trader is great for traders looking for a simplified process. With no minimum trading days and flexible accounts, it's perfect for traders who want speed and freedom. No time limits, no minimum trading days, so you can move at your own pace. Instant profits. Keep your first $10,000 in profits before the profit split kicks in. Next, we have Lux Trading Firm, a prop firm with a focus on safety and long-term growth, offering traders risk management tools that help keep trades secure. Risk management focus prioritizes security with tight stop-out rules and clear risk limits. Tailored support, personalized support to help traders meet their goals. Rounding off our list is Fidelcrest, a firm that offers instant funding with a focus on fast evaluations and high profit splits. Fast evaluation. Get funded quickly with minimal hoops to jump through. Large payouts. Enjoy a massive 90% profit split once you pass the evaluation. And there you have it. Our top 10 prop trading firms in Turkey that are offering you the chance to level up your trading career. Whether you're looking for fast funding, flexibility, or high payouts, there's something here for everyone. Make sure to like, comment below with your favorite firm, and don't forget to subscribe for more expert trading tips. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into advanced trading strategies to boost your returns even further. See you next time, and happy trading!